Hi and welcome back to MRTV. I'm in the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd flying over Rio de Janeiro in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. And you're probably wondering, hey, why are you doing this? Isn't microOLED all the rage? And isn't that the only thing that should be on your channel right now? Well, normally yes, and in a couple of days the Dream Air embargo will lift, and well, obviously it's going to be lots about microOLED, and this channel has been about microOLED for a long time. But how does my old love, the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd, actually stack up against the microOLED headsets? Is this already obsolete, or is this still a recommendation? That's what I'm going to find out in this video. And one of the reasons is I've negotiated an incredible deal with Pimax for all the Pimax Crystal Super headsets. The 50 ppd, the 57 ppd, the ultra-wide, and the Super Micro OLED actually. And I simply needed to make sure myself that I can, with a good conscience, recommend you this headset, the 50 ppd, over the microOLED headsets. So therefore I needed to make this video, and that's why you're watching this video now, me flying over Rio de Janeiro in the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd. Now this is a real A/B comparison, because actually today I've been in the Pimax Dream Air the whole day, obviously working on my Dream Air review video, which is going to be coming up quite soon here on the channel. So let's get into it. How can this still compare, or is this obsolete now? So first of all, I must tell you, after having been in the Dream Air the whole day and then putting this on, wow, this is heavy. This is heavy. In direct comparison, really, there's no comparison between this 170-gram Dream Air and this here weighing like a kilogram. Right? So for people who have to move their heads like in a fast way, right? Not like me, like I'm more the guy who is just flying and enjoying, relaxing. I don't have to have quick head movements. For those people, I would directly, without a doubt, recommend the small headsets, Dream Air, Meganex, Big Screen Beyond. Right? That is obviously like a huge difference. So yeah, in terms of weight, this cannot win. Also in terms of colors, without a doubt, microOLED is better. So don't get me wrong, the colors are fine here, but you simply don't get microOLED colors, and especially contrasts. The contrasts are simply better in microOLED headsets, and that's something that you will directly see when you are flying in a night, at night times, right? That's for sure. You get way better contrasts with the microOLED headsets. But now, let's get to the positives here about the 50 ppd Pimax Crystal Super. That's something that is shockingly apparent after having been in the Dream Air and the Big Screen Beyond and the Meganex in the recent days, like all the time. The FOV here is so much better in the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd. It's truly a huge difference, huge. Especially the vertical FOV. And really, especially the vertical FOV, it's something that's also important for your immersion. This feels more immersive in terms of FOV, without a doubt. So if you love FOV, and I know many of you do, well, then these big headsets like the Crystal Super 50 ppd that I'm in right now, they are not obsolete. Those small headsets like Dream Air, Big Screen Beyond, and Meganex, they simply cannot give you that FOV that I see here right now. I see a massive FOV. A massive FOV of more than 130 degrees horizontal. And vertically, it feels nearly like human vision. I still see a bit of black down, but upstairs it's nearly human vision. So that is really a huge difference, and that's a big positive here for the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd. So for people who love FOV, well, this is an alternative to those tiny micro OLED headsets. Another big advantage here over the micro OLED headsets is simply the brightness. This is way brighter than the micro OLED headsets. So I'm flying here over Rio de Janeiro. It is a sunshiny day, and yes, I can see that. I can truly see that here. So if you're somebody who loves to fly in sunshiny days, wants big FOV, well, I can absolutely still recommend you the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd. Yeah, this is truly, truly incredible here, what I'm seeing here right now, flying over Rio de Janeiro. It's such a good experience. And on top of that, what's also better is the sound. So here right now I'm using the better DMAS headphones together with that crazy mod, that crazy audio booster 3D print from PowerPlay, from the MRTV Discord server. And yeah, the bass is better. The whole thing sounds simply much better. So if you're into great audio, big FOV, and absolute way brighter visuals, then the Pimax Crystal Super is not obsolete at all, but actually what I would recommend to you, because you're getting a smaller FOV with those micro OLED headsets, and especially vertically. When it comes to the Dream Air, I'm going to talk about this in my final review that you're going to see on the channel very soon. So yeah, I really love what I'm seeing here, and also the eye tracking works really well. So it's a very nice and complete headset, the 50 ppd. So yeah, wherever I look at, it's super sharp because of the eye tracking. If I look around, you probably see that now, that the area that's sharp will change. And it's such a good experience. And I truly believe that for people who want bigger FOVs and bright visuals, this is better than the micro OLED headsets. Yeah, so how about other areas, not just flying, like sim racing? Today I got an email from Willem, and Willem asked me, okay, he wants to go for one of these Pimax Crystal Super headsets. Which one would I recommend? And for race simming, I would either go for this here, also for the 50 ppd, or for the ultra wide. And if it's between the two, I personally would go for the 50 ppd. The reason is you already have like a very nice big FOV here, but you also have a good binocular overlap. And for the ultra wide, yes, it has the biggest FOV, but it does sacrifice on the binocular overlap. So here with the 50 ppd, you have that beautiful sweet spot between very nice FOV and good binocular overlap. So you still have that feeling of speed when you're doing a sim racing, right? So that's why also the micro OLED, of course, if you want the sharpest headset, then always go for the micro OLED. Because yes, this is sharp, but it still cannot compete with that ultra sharpness of micro OLED, right? If you want the sharpest, go for micro OLED, right? But if you want for sim racing speed, feeling of speed, then go for the big FOV headsets like the 50 ppd. And I wrote to Willem, yes, go for the 50 ppd one. That's my recommendation. Yeah, so absolutely not obsolete. So I can, with a very good conscience, like give you the MRTV deal, the launch deal for my new newsletter, MRTV Buyer Alerts. All of you who are excited about high-end PCVR should subscribe now. It's free. You go down to the comment section, go to the first pinned comment, click on the link mrtv.kit.com and go there and enter your email address. And once a month, you're going to get an email from me in which I'm going to tell you which are my daily drivers for all the different scenarios. For flight simming, for race simming, for action games, for FPS shooters. What do I use for productivity? You know, it's something where I'm not every month going to make a video about. But then you have it there. And I'm coming up with these specially negotiated deals that are exclusive to MRTV. At least a timed exclusive, I believe. Probably some of my colleagues are going to get them too. And that is fine. But they're not public. They're always going to be either in Patreon or in the newsletters. So they're not public. And yeah, therefore, simply go for it. Enter your email in the newsletter, and then I'm going to send you the deal, the MRTV Buyer Alerts launch deal. And what is it? Well, you can go for any of the Pimax Crystal Super headsets, like the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd, 57 ppd, or ultra wide, or super micro or micro OLED. That's also part of it. And with that deal, you're getting the better DMAS headphones for free. That's a $99 value. That is really good. That is absolutely good. And you want that better audio. And then on top of that, you get 12-month extended warranty worth $219. And of course, having a Pimax headset, it's great to have that added warranty. So normally you only get 1 year warranty, right? So if after 1 year you're going to sell this for a better headset, okay, you can tell the buyer that, hey, you still have 12-month warranty here. And this is going to increase the price quite a lot. So super valuable. And then on top of that, you're still getting 2% discount, MRTV creator discount. That's another $40 value. And then on top of all that, you still get free shipping. So it's a deal worth over $400 in savings. And that is the best deal that you can get for the Pimax Crystal Super right now. Or forever. This is the best deal that was ever there. And you can get it now simply by joining the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. So if you know anyone who's interested in the Super headsets, for all of the reasons that I came up with in this video, do tell them about this deal. Tell them to sign up at mrtv.kit.com for that MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. Yeah, that's everything, really. That's truly everything that I have. It's a great experience here flying over Rio de Janeiro. The big FOV is a massive difference, and truly, for many, this will feel more immersive than the super sharp but smaller FOV micro OLED headsets. And I'm glad that I made you aware of this and of that best deal ever for the Pimax Crystal Super 50 ppd and all the other Pimax Crystal Super headsets. Yeah, that's everything that I have for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, of course, for lots of videos for my Pimax Dream Air review video, which is going to come out soon. And if you have any more questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'm glad to answer all of your questions, or come to the MRTV Discord server. The link is also down in the description of this video. And there I'm every day, and yeah, we can simply chat. And you can ask me all of your questions. Yeah, so that's it. Give it a thumbs up. Looking forward to see you on the MRTV newsletter, hopefully, as a reader. And other than that, in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.